Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on Google Travel. So to access Google Travel, ensure that you sign into your Google account. Then on the upper right hand side, you can go to your apps on Google, scroll down and find travel. Another way is to simply type in google.com/travel or /travel, and you'll be taken over to it. As you can see right here, this is the URL google.com/travel, and you'll be taken over to it. Right, so once you're here, just start some action. Let's click, for example, flights, and then we want to scroll towards the bottom, and here you'll find a location. If you click on that, just simply choose to be in a different location. So let's say I want my location to be let's find something right here. We can choose something. Let's say I want it to be in Jamaica. Click on that and click on OK. And as you can see, I'm now in Jamaica. And as you can see right here, it's a cheap flights from Jamaica, and it's showing you where you can get those cheap flights from. Right, so you can easily change your location by finding that and just basically choose a location that you desire. And that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.